KILLCAMS!
Oh yeah!
Hold up.
No, this is actually hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god. He shot me in midair. Look at this. I gave up on life. Oh my god. That was awesome.
God, what the hell?
That was definitely worth it.
Oh man.
I got Lucifer!
I'm just right behind him.
What?
Wait!
What?
Exes, what were you doing over there?
Words can't explain how I killed this kid. I go for the window shot and I didn't jump out. And I just tried to get rid of it so I could go for like a bolt.
Oh my god.
I was gonna
Close!
You headshot
I think you're straight out of kill shitter.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my
No, it's
goodness!
not.
This is dank!
This isn't going in the video!
This is dank!
This isn't going in the video.
Oh,
Oh my god!
Oh,
Oh my
Red.
god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Am I going on YouTube? Am I going on YouTube?
Oh no!
Whoa!
What? No! I saw that.
No!
No!
What?
No!
Wretched,
What is this?
Oh!
Wretched hit?
Oh!
What?
The Suey!
That
my god!
What? Wretched, I love your videos!
Oh my goodness. Recently in the gaming community, our friend Aurora's dog LACI has been good luck when going for kill cams. Legend has it saying, if you rub LACI for 5 seconds, you automatically will acquire 1 dank cam for the day. Let's see this. Dude, LACI's... Dude, I'm coming to Florida and giving that dog a hug, dude. Come on, LACI. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh my god!
What is it? What is it?
It's beautiful, that's what it is.
No.
Oh, look at that.
Oh man. Get freaking wrecked, nerd, right in the foot!
LaciLuck at its finest.
Find Dandy, Kickemm.
Like that.
Kick
Now
off!
that's a dandy kill cam. Yeah,
I
like
just don't believe this. Like, define Dandy.
Oh!
Oh!
Kickemm!
What
That
the
one?
hell was this?
What was it?
Kickemm. What'd you do?
Oh my
god! That was far.
Yes.
Holy shit!
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ!
You know, I'm gonna say it now. I don't care that you broke your ankle.
Damn it!
This is a clean kill cam if you ask me. Get it? Because it's a sink.
Washing the dishes.
Don't touch me, I'm sterile!
You seem super stoked that you hit, dude.
Oh.
Dude, I'm super stoked right now.
What?
Ooh.
Oh damn!
Oh shit!
Yo! What? Yo!
Go in, Puma!
Damn!
Alright, I didn't mean to, but okay.
Go on, Steve. Steve the Steve.
I didn't mean to.
What?
I meant to go down a room.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh! Oh my goodness, Steve!
Oh my god!
Steve the Seawolf!
Go.
I'm going to bed!
Why? No!
We won!
You know what's funny? We gave
You
you...
went 9 and 18.
We gave you like 55 kills and you still have a...
Oh god, look at me.
And we won. That is so awesome. Everybody kept doing 360.